In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist using Trello in N8N, step by step. If you want to automate your workflow and quickly add checklists to Trello without doing it manually, this is a simple setup that can save you a lot of time. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation tutorials just like this. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want the Trello checklist action to happen. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new apps and actions to your automation. Now from the Nodes panel, choose Trello. You can either search for it or select it from the available integrations. After that, choose the action called Create a Checklist. This is the specific node that lets you generate a checklist inside Trello automatically. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This connects N8N to your Trello account, so make sure you select the correct Trello credentials that have access to the board or card you want to update. After that, configure what to create. Fill in the required details for your checklist, such as the card it should be added to and the checklist content you want created. Make sure everything is mapped correctly based on your workflow data, so the checklist is created exactly where you need it. Once that is done, your Trello checklist setup is ready. You can save the workflow and test it to make sure the checklist is being created properly inside Trello. And that's how you create a checklist using Trello in N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple automation tutorials.